Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Have you copied text from ChatGPT, a web page, or another program, only to paste it into Word with a background color? It's because Word likes to keep the original formatting of text by default. In this video, I will show you how to remove the background color, along with how to paste text without any formatting at all. Let's go. The quickest way to remove the background color is to highlight it, and press Ctrl plus space to clear the formatting. If that doesn't work, do it manually instead. Leave your pasted text selected and click the arrow next to the paint bucket icon that represents Word's shading feature. From there, simply select No Color to get rid of the text background color. When pasting text, Word gives you the flexibility to keep the original formatting, match your document style, or just copy plain text. To avoid unwanted background colors, position your cursor where you want the text to appear. Right-click and choose Keep Text Only under Paste Options. For a handy shortcut, you can also use Ctrl plus Shift plus V to paste the regular text. On the other hand, if you always want to paste text without any formatting, just make Keep Text Only the default. Navigate to the File tab, go to Options, and open the Advanced Configuration page. Find the Cut, Copy, and Paste section, and set Pasting from Other Programs to Keep Text Only. Now you can use the good old Ctrl plus V shortcut, and all formatting will be removed automatically. Okay, if I've been able to help you, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. If something didn't work out and you're stuck, check the comments. Maybe someone has solved the problem. Otherwise, I can try and help you further. I offer personal support on Fiverr and can give you independent advice. I also offer many other services. Feel free to check them out. You'll find the link in the video description. Until next time, bye.